Haka janmi jong kat sau trek yayong ki doktor haringkat u magistrate kilawan ban kmi beniak biang ya ka jinglong jingman bat ka koi ke kya jong uba H ban Siudor Nonglang chairman ke Green Tech Foundation ubala shong ya ki shatngan Hamadan Malki mentala Henry Singi Kinti bandawa nak sorkar jela bakan wengno ya ka project hapo dolan nong lumpong deng hapung umyam. Hakani ka jingwan jurip lasaki ba uba ban Siudor uladon hapneng ka met ka batolot shibun. Hakabana ka liang u magistrate ula kintu ba unsangi no i ka jing shatngan. Bat na ka liang ki doktor ru kila a jingmot ban ra no i u sya ki jaka sumar. Henry na ka liang ka jong u ula kentaj da ka ba ong ba un om ki na ka ni ka jaka kat ba ka sorkar kampat weng ya ka te ka project. Hapdeng kani kajing persyang la ong bakala donru kajing temu ban ra ya u da kabor na kani kajaka Henry namar kajing don jong ki weipat ki para dekan jong ka foundation haringkat ki weipan ki bawan ban ajing kashan kumta kani kajing temu kam shimla urlong satya. Ha kani ka janmit na kalyang MLA ka not shlong uba Adelbert nong rumru ulawan siya kani kajaka ban ay mensim but jingkat shan ni kidikhad jong ka foundation.
We have to make sure this has to start amount. But you see, we are not taking a risk for his life. Please understand that. We're not taking a risk. Okay, I am not coming from tourism department or from anything else. This is just about condition. This thing long term can have ramifications on the body also. I think doctor here.
That's what we stand for. This is about long term of our generation.
Everybody has to take liability of it. It is the
Can we stick
government.
to the immediate interim topic first?
Tell them to go away. I will not take any relation. I will not take anything until and unless the government give us everything that they.
Can you at least take some of the medicines that they are requesting me?
No.
But that will not be breaking your fast.
From day one.
That will not compromise anything that you are doing. But
It's for a future generation.
yeah.
But then see, at least the government hear us.
You have protested peacefully for days. Aside from us also, Nisham bilang bawa Nisham dah betul betul itu. Nisham grant mata. Government to my immediate superior. I will
Masih
ensure
Chief Minister, kita petition
Tawahan
sekat
ni,
ni condition. Kita masih benong, ketentuan sikit betul.
Indeed, you've come here for his life, for his safety. I understand that, but who's going to take liability of that if it's not the government? So we just ask you and urge you. You've come here from the district administration. We respect that, but can you carry forward that message from our end also that we're not going to back down unless and until the government at least come to a solution. We're not here also to strictly oppose. Come to a solution. We're looking for constructive solutions here.
The only solution is seek to our demands. That's it. We'll call it off.
Just call upon the opposition. Just that. Nothing else. We're not asking for the entire 66 acres to be scrapped off also. 36 acres of the island, that's it. Nothing from there and from the government's end also. Make an attempt.
If they are serious enough, if they're serious about this life, serious about the subject matter, then
we will now wait for the
we will take.
no speak to the doctor.
I don't know.
It is not compromise anything.
Our request to you, sir, please send this message to government. Give us a written that they will stop the project and then I will go advance. Right now,
Yeah, why don't you have the medicines? We're not forcing it. We're not forcing it. Hakabani kong do ngakan pal ka jing songu khamtam namdan ki khon samla ki rangba jong ja banri ki ba
lanut ya ka ban len di ban mi shmat na ka banta ban kun ta ka daw ba aman ngitip ba ka kentin bong ba land is life mo ka kendo kadega jingip ti ku buwi na paling kenom khmat ngam sudai ba ngam sula pa sisong hiyan lega sudai ya ban wan manai mensi beki bat kham tamru bat ban ong iki ba ngaru ngani la ka jong lenti hakaba ngan le ban pandep la ka jong kamram padaiti par ka jingit klia amar yangi la jit kipai ba bat kathong hi na ka banta kini ki khon samla kalong ban pentikna ba sarkar kadong kamban scrap ya kani ka project ka ba long ka jingta na ka banta ka imlang ka salang ka ta ya ni ka pateng mata bar kham tam ya ka pateng manwan tinga ko an perken mau pi ya ki por menchua ki british ki doli shom keni ki ong kentien ya ki political leaders ki jongi what do you want us to do before we leave you kini ki political leaders jongi ki ong ba just leave us as you found us ka ba perken mau ru ya ka ige jengkaran ji ba ma calcium i president jong ma chaprang ibaderu uwe entrepreneur ba la long uwe na pranki promoters mo kuno ban kentiu ya ka tourism aga jingwan jungokai jongki weipat ki tourist arju por non penne ka ecological restoration bat ka forestation ti kani ka jing pan mau jungi bade ban penne ya kalumpong deng kum bakalong ngar ngawan ro ni por manai man siam ngam tani khun sama kimdei ban sngo baki syai ban kenturu ya ka jai ban riu brok wei bakan ken mau ya ka jing duai na ka bantai jongki aku an pan ken mau ru kali ka kamram jonga man pan ken mau namar ada ken mau hau senam arjar arsau aga budget speech apa ka budget session lawara lembaga zuru awa habdei ka lumpong deng kani gede ka banta ka ba don ka jing internet ka bala left out unattended nakaliang government tin re balawan pat nai nakaliang juba Michael Sim ibadei ru chairman jongka jongka Machapang tourism promotion group kumba ar penyu senam layo ikalis nakai misial tiga ba semua palapat ya do usnam bodon syata ka cikit kli nak benta makan tiu ya ka jengok kai partai aba layo ikalis kumba ar penyu senam layaj kani ka benta jong list natai ko mun penken mau ban biang sipo senam la list nang ta la list biang san senam nang ta la list pat sisnam nilai ka bang habbu jengkeli pat ya ki company berabar lembang ni ka Meghalaya invest manta kimut ban kumala pau partai ba ka government ni la bu adu nrupo senam ka agreement tiga long ki kadak jengkeli kani aku ban bu ya ta ka jengkeli ya ka government atau ka government of the day kadai ka pro outsider na kadai ka pro local tidai helot ni nongrim ka ba ngako pangken mau ni makadong ka jingtho mana kani rong lawan ra ya kani ka issue hawang la pen mau hakapor jong man respected minister eti mondal de minister jong tourism but aku ko po ngadap ong bade ban extend na ka banta kani ka jingthmu jong ka Meghalaya tourism Machapang tourism promotion group kumaki kwa na ka banta ban extend tikidon ka hok ban extend makla pen kladur ya thigi jaka layo ban ra biang ya ta ka jing internet jong ta ka greenery lawan phai biang hati ka jaka kisim kido bat ka jing internet kala kring ya ki pat ki tourist banwan siti ka jaka ndai ka basulingo ndai na kaliang minister ong bakarang don aprang jakaran tingala penjam no amar pagade poka house bola pemi takan tien no dong jakaran tengit scam hiru ba ka government kan dang extend ndai so phala pat menta nei ba ka government klanut ya kaban police state da kaban sign agreement bat kumba ki panpau hapo ka jingkali ke jonga ka ba dang shen lawan ra man aku bade bakani ka hawade bakani ka land of kani ka acres of land ka ba ka government ka IT lembaga kani ka MOU jing sign jong MOU walaupun pau ba kila sign kumba ndrupo senam ti ki ka jingkali ka bangkwa pen pau hani ka por kalau muka anbu gijing kali ya sarkar masik ya clarification ya sarkar boleh kailam bakla ya ka house mesti kailam bakla tainga hapo ka house kipen pau syai ba kadon kita kerja agreement berarti barke Indian Hotel Corporation Limited hendai lembaka RTI ka balalap lembaki eco ya lembaka green tech mo kelapan ka RTI but kelai bahan ila sign ka agreement but MS Omnium Hotel Private Limited aku apan keren basai ba kani ko Omnium Hotel Private Limited kumangitip ba try jongani ka company beri director beri Arun Kumar Rai larang bakla ngathai pir kum ki parlok press pihak panwat kani de uni uju basna ya ka assembly ka badon ka jingtua je badum de uni uju basna ya ka stadium jong lead porno ye sangma ka badon ru jingtua karo ti bat nako pakan mau ba halor kani ka clear land alienation ka bangitip sai nomor kadon ka act mo lembaga land acquisition de habangi acquire kalan nadu ka por asam ai ka por mo bangi acquire kalan habangi sim kalan nak benta kawi ka purpose kumbalong ka hydro power project hapo ka umnyam ti habangi sim ya kani lembaga kawi ka purpose habangi kajing temu ti kumbakalong kalong jingsuk ang tayo po apo sauli ru kisim nak benta kawi pat ka agreement bat kumbalong hani ka renja ini ki RR koloni ki basim nak kawi ka purpose hendai kat baki perkalapat syakawi kumangitip menta ka RR koloni ru menta gele ede ya tiga jaka ko mensua pa nginang bu kanang tiga jaka nak benta pan ai jakari tengen kum ka rehabilitate nak benta gitu ki refugee ti kibun ki ka ba ngikum ka kum ka jat penriu minang kamban kendet penriu ban pej halor kini ki jolong jaman ka bangimla ban sya ini ka land alienation namar kum bakaran syai karkum ke jing pau jong ka jing jubab apa ka question awa ti kani ka jing ra jong ani question awa mana kani ru ndai ka selong bang mio pa ban ya keren mio ban participate mio ban debate namar ka kut no question awa ndai ko bang li ya ka jing jubab jong ka government ba ya kani ka karkom sim list ka sisnem ka jing one pai ta ka pisah na kaliang jong ka jong ni ka hotel Indian Hotel Limited mo Indian Hotel Limited Touch mo ba kani ka sisnem kan 1 pai 4.47 crore nang ta ka sansnem kan 1 ka 7 pai 7.42 crores but nang ta shipo snem kan 1 pai 9.46 crore ti kumba ka list kan 1 ru snem ba kumba kala pa ko jingtho ba kan 1 pai ka return ka pisa sha government ka jing yonong lemba kani ka list ka ba government ka aisha ni ka Indian Hotel Touch kawan akan kandai khandai spa prapui point repusan crore te kejing keli menta kabangitip in the name of development our land our right has been snatched away mo hakerting jong development hakerting karoi kapal nasya kini hai babun ki benta ya tagohok na ka benta jongi ka pateng barkham tam ya kalawi ti ko aban pon pau pi kani ka nakakamram nakaliang jonga kumoy mali ko namar bang lawan ra igini po ka house nga sudai hiru bangan jangkaman penim ya ka langi deban ya lang rekat barki hagano volunteer dan nga iba ka government kanum take heed attention na kabantay jong kajing kon ka jongki ngan hapan simpat dakwai garai namar nakaliang jonga ngada pan pendep haga bidai haga bantay jong ka legislative habri ka executive but ngangit scam ba kibun ki option ki bang haban ya chakman tikani ganang perhat ngangit scam kini ki parlok ru kinang yo ka bor kinang koi kinang khia ba kinang la banyeng bane khun mar ka dega kamram hi ka bangi de ban ai msi meki na mar kle note banyeng rangba bane khun na ka banta pandya pansa ya khando ko sia pandya pansa ka hok na ka banta ka jaban riu kujumi anga ko ambu ka jingkli pinru punriu ekar mata bagi pai ba ka jaban riu ka kamar soto laratang si ekar da longkat kum ka standard football ground si ekar da hendru punriu ekar kanu potuli yasi kala panu hendru punriu tuli kimaran football te lagajat punriu kahun marchu ngap bat ban supet ka ya ki bagi ki khon samla ki bodon ke clear kimi siya kaman na ko banta bandaway ko na ko banta mila penne ban pansa ya ko hok long try ko jini kini ko pa pa
kadai kan lo agar badan berat kan cip kadai try mo kadai pakan
yang kum bakalong kum mga panpaw fi manen makar kum kalan acquisition dei kalan acquisition kar kum acquire kalan kali na ka banta kaway par ka jing tumo ndai ka bag panong ka mantapat nam ta kaway ti kata wala belum kalong violation ya ta ka an ya ka ak mo ti bat ya kani kalong ba kumangi khenlom som manta ya ka total amod area jong tu ka whole project kan 166 acre